Hello, students. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to the e learning classes of Sunrise Global School. This is your maths teacher Asmita Sharma, and today we are going to start with the new chapter of maths, that is chapter number 7. The name of the chapter is Cube and Cube Roots. So students, इसके पहले वाला chapter, that was chapter number 6, that was square and square root. We have already covered the chapter, and the chapter number 7, that is the cube and the cube root, is just like a sibling of that chapter. So it will be very much easy for you to understand if you have understood very much well the chapter number 6, right? So this chapter, the name is cube and cube roots. So now already you know that what is cube, right? सो क्यूब जो है वो हम ज्योमेट्री में ज़्यादातर इसका यूज़ करते हैं. ज्योमेट्री पढ़ाते टाइम या ज्योमेट्री करते टाइम हम लोग ने क्यूब के बारे में अर्लियर स्टैंडर्ड्स में सीखा है. सो क्यूब इज़ अ 3 डायमेंशनल स्क्वायर. सो जो 3D स्क्वायर बोल सकते हैं हम उसे, उस 3D स्क्वायर को हमने एक नया नाम दे दिया जिसका नाम है क्यूब. सो क्यूब जो है वो 3D स्क्वायर है. और जब इस क्यूब को हम ज्योमेट्री में लिखते हैं तो इसको हम बड़े ही प्यार से, बड़े ही 3D डायमेंशन में स्क्वायर के जैसा बना लिया करते हैं. सो आपको मैं एक क्यूब बनाकर यहाँ पर शो करना चाहूँगी. सो इफ़ यू आर सीइंग दिस, इट इज़ अ स्क्वायर. अज्यूम इट अ स्क्वायर and this is how a cube is made. Okay, so this is the three-dimensional model of a square, one square above another square, and we join the lines and make a cube. But ये तो बात रही geometry की. Today we are studying a different field, and in this different field we term cube when a number is multiplied thrice. So whenever a number is multiplied 3 times, it becomes a cube of that number. सो दिस नंबर शुड बी मल्टीप्लाइड विद इटसेल्फ ओनली. वो नंबर किसी और से नहीं बट अपने आप से ही मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो द फर्स्ट वन यू कैन हियर सी दैट इफ आई मल्टीप्लाइड 1 दैट मीन्स 1 into 1 सो इट विल गोज 1. सिमिलरली अगर मैं 2 को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई कर लेती हूँ, 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर देती हूँ, तो वो हो जाएगा 2 into 2 into 2. दैट मीन्स 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Similarly, going into the next number, 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are becomes 27. Similarly, if we do it with the 4, 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are comes 64. So this is how the cubes work from 1 to 10. I hope this much is clear, because as we have done the squares, while doing the squares we used to do it 1 into 1, that becomes 1. So we used to do 2 into 2, that becomes 4. So all these were the squares and they used to work 1 square is equals to 1, 2 square is equals to 4. But now we are doing cubes, so it will be like 1 cube is equals to 1 and 2 cube is equals to 8, and similarly going 3 cube is equals to 27, 4 cube is equals to 64, 5 cube is equals to 125, and many more. Correct? So now there is a different trick in this sum, that if we move ahead, like you here can see that the cube of 11, that is 1331. Then I have mentioned cube of 12, that is 1728. Then there is the cube of 13, that is 2197. Then there is a cube of 14, that is 2744. And this is how the whole cube structure works till 20. So this when you calculate it, this will how it will look. Now another thing was is that when we see that the cube of all the even numbers, so if you can see the cube of 12, because 12 is an even number, so the cube of 12, that means here it comes, the unit digit here is 8, here the unit digit is 2. This is an even number, and so hence the cube of this number is also an even number. Similarly, if we go to 14, so 14 you can see that the 14 is also an even number, and we see the cube of 14, here the answer, the unit digit is 4, so that's why this number is also an even number. And while we leave it for 16, So 16's cube is 4096. So 16 is also an even number and the cube is also an even number. So one thing that we learn from this is all the even numbers are, if the number is even, the cube will also be even. Similarly, if we go with the odd number, so you can see that 11 cube is 1331. So the number is, this number is also an odd number. Similarly, if we do it like 13's cube, so it is 2197. So 7 is also an odd number, right? So this number is also an odd number. Similarly with the 15, 5 is also an odd number. And if we check all these odd numbers, you will find that जो भी नंबर ऑड है उसका क्यूब भी ऑड होगा, जो भी नंबर इवन है उसका क्यूब भी इवन होगा. करेक्ट. सो नाउ दैट यू हैव नोन दैट अगर एक नंबर खुद इवन है तो उसका क्यूब भी इवन होगा, अगर वो नंबर खुद ऑड है तो उसका क्यूब भी ऑड होगा. सो क्यूब इज द नंबर विच इज मल्टीप्लाइड 3 times. आई होप दिस मच इज clear. Now the thing that we are going to discuss today is that you have to find the ones digit of the cube of each. So here are some 5 numbers given to you and you have to find only the ones digit. So the important thing over here is ones digit. Ones digit is the number at the last. So here you can see that in 3331 the ones digit is 1, right? So if it is 1, so the cube of this number, whatsoever number it will come, but the unit digit will always be 1, right? Because if we multiply 1 into 1 into 1, we will get 1, right? So the cube of this number will be 1. The unit digit of the cube of this number will be 1. Similarly, if we go with 8, so while speaking about 8, you know that the 8 cube, so it is 8 into 8 into 8. So what is the 8 cube? So the 8 cube is 512. That means the unit digit of this number will be 2. Correct? So now moving on to if it is 4149, here the unit digit is 9. So we'll calculate the cube of 9. That means 9 into 9 into 9. So the cube of 9 will be 729, right? So here the answer comes 9 over here. That means the number of this, the cube of this number, the unit digit comes will be 9. Now if we do with the 5, so if we do the cube of 5, so 5 into 5 into 5 will be 125. So जो unit digit यहाँ आ रहा है वो है 5. So अगर हम 1005 का क्यूब करते हैं तो उसका unit digit जो आएगा वो भी 5 ही आएगा. Okay. Similarly, if we do it with 1024, that means here the unit digit is 4. So if we do 4 into 4 into 4, so अगर हम 4 का क्यूब करते हैं तो आंसर कम्स इज 64. सो हियर इट इज़ 4. दैट मीन्स अगर हम इस पूरे नंबर का क्यूब करेंगे तो उसका जो यूनिट डिजिट आएगा वो 4 आएगा. सो यहाँ पर इस पूरे सम में हमें सिर्फ यूनिट डिजिट दैट इज वंस डिजिट को ही कैलकुलेट करना था, इसीलिए ये एकदम इजी सा मेथड है इसको कैलकुलेट करने का. हमें एक एक नंबर को अलग से क्यूब फाइंड करने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो दिस इज़ हाउ वी विल फाइंड द cube of ones digit of the cube of any number. So this is how you will know that what will be the ones digit, and you can check out whether the options given is a cube of that number or not. Another thing to note over here is that 1331 is itself an odd number, and whatsoever cube of this number will be coming, it will also become an odd number. And if you see 8888, here this number is an even number, so whatsoever the cube of this number will come, that number itself will be an even number. Correct? So two things that we have learned today is that cube is a 3D dimensional of a square. Another thing, any number which is multiplied by itself 3 times becomes a cube. Then we have learned that If a number is even number, then the cube of that number will also be an even number. If the number is an odd number, the cube of that number will also be an odd number. Correct? And this is how you will find the ones digit of cube of each number. So you will be given a worksheet related to the topic that we have studied today. The next topic we will continue in the next class. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe, keep studying. Thank you.